Hi, my name is Mohammed Irfan. I'm here to speak a few words about the topic online learning, benefits and opportunities, and also about challenges faced in the time of COVID 19. Talking about the benefits of online learning or online education, there are a few of them. Number one being, we could be in our comfort zone. Like, classroom or physical classes are not the most comfortable place to study in. We could be in our comfort zone in a calm environment, or for some who is really not interested in calm environment, they could be in the living room of their house where usually used to be like a loud environment or anywhere. So we could sit in our comfort zone or like in with a comfort environment, all the setups which we need. Number two being, we are having direct access to all the study materials through online. So as if we are studying in physical method, like if you are doing a physical method, there are few challenges to be faced. So if you are taking leave for more than 2 days or so, the notes and all the things or all the study materials would be already given to the students, and it would be really hard to copy down all of them and to get a proper learning or proper education about the topic which have been covered as like the teacher have taught all of them. So it's really useful to have such a method that there is no proper requirement for like full-time attendance or like the proper medical condition. So in physical classes, if we are even having a small slight fever, usually we skip school and we lose a lot of messages from the teacher and also a lot of messages from or like a lot of notes. So in online classes, we are not having that issue. All the notes are being uploaded in software such as Google Classroom or Google Drives, and which is accessible anytime, anywhere, unless until we have the proper internet connection and electricity to access this. So in case if there is any shortage for the textbooks, we could be easily getting all the referrals or all the textbook PDFs through online, which is not really possible in our physical classes because there's a limitation that we cannot bring our gadgets to school, and so thus we are not having access to them unless we are having the physical copies of them. So the other benefit is that the only requirement for online learning is electricity and internet connection and a gadget to access those classes. So the requirement of transportation or like a physical space is not much required. So there should be a space so where we could be studying in. There is no requirement for like classrooms or anything such as that. And I would like to mention few downgrades of online learning, as that it's not really practical for a country such as India, because the internet is really terrible, to be honest. Like the internet is not at all stable and most of them are using mobile data, which is the infrastructure is not well grown. And talking about the opportunities of online learning or online educations, there are a few of them. We could expand our creative skills, which is not possible or which are not possible in physical classes, such as so few of them are interested in editing or like that kind of stuff, which require gadgets, which is not usually promoted in physical classes. So we could maintain our time, or we could schedule our time to study or to encourage our hobbies or to improve our creative skills. No, I'm not saying that in the schools or if it is physical classes they are not enhancing our creative ideas, they are enhancing, but there are few category of them which is not possible in physical classes in countries such as India, where gadgets or anything is not allowed in classrooms. So the other one being, we as a teenager we could be doing small scale businesses which could make us pocket money, which is really interesting for every student. The challenges faced in the time of COVID-19 are like we are not having access to the social communities or like to the public eventually speaking, and that could create a claustrophobic feeling in many of us, which is not really good. And many of us or many of them are facing issues such as mental health, like it affects the mental health continuously sitting in one random building, no or like not going anywhere, no traveling, no interaction with other people. That creates a claustrophobic feeling, and that downgrades the mental health of each individual, which is not really good, and our enjoyment is going down gradually. And I think the classes should reopen, or not only the classes, the entire pandemic should go down and the world should be normal, so that everyone would be having a free mind with open or like everyone could enjoy the world out simply. So thank you, these were the things which I would like to share.